Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain what happened to France after Napoleon. Following Napoleon's final defeat, France underwent a period of profound transformation. The European powers, weary of decades of conflict, sought to restore stability and a traditional order. This era saw the return of the Bourbon monarchy, marking a significant shift in the nation's governance and its place on the continent. We'll explore these changes in more detail. The Bourbon Restoration saw Louis XVIII ascend to the throne, ushering in a constitutional monarchy. While the monarchy was restored, it wasn't a complete return to the old regime. The Charter of 1814 provided a framework, granting certain civil liberties and establishing a two-house legislature. However, political life was often turbulent, with strong divisions between those who favored royal authority and those who sought more liberal reforms. After Napoleon, France's territorial boundaries were largely reset to their pre-revolutionary state, effectively rolling back many of the conquests. The Congress of Vienna, a major diplomatic conference, played a crucial role in redrawing the map of Europe, aiming for a new balance of power. France also faced financial repercussions, being required to pay a significant indemnity to the victorious Allied powers, totaling 700 million francs. Despite the restoration, many of Napoleon's lasting reforms, particularly in law and administration, remained deeply embedded in French society. This post-Napoleonic era, while aiming for stability, ultimately sowed the seeds for future political upheavals. France would continue to navigate a complex path, grappling with its national identity and the balance between tradition and progress, leading to further significant changes in the decades to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.